to Atcd Thursday for this month. I've got a CD here which I have painted in black gesso, but I am going to repaint it in white gesso. So I'm going to paint this in white gesso. I have a baby, well, not a baby, just a doll face mold that I was gifted at Christmas time last year, and I've put some air dry clay in it, and I've got a little doll head. It's a bit squished, but it'll do for this. I've got some cogs, some flowers, some plastic cogs, MDF cogs, and we are going to create a mixed media Atcd. So I'm going to give this a couple of coats, and I'll be right back. Okay, that's enough to start off with. Okay, so I'm going to use some of my paste here, and I'm going to put some of this paste on this CD, and this will help the cogs and things stay in place. I don't really want to use hot glue, so I'm going to cover this base with some cogs, and I just got these cogs on eBay, but you can get them in bulk from Amazon as well. This one was left over from another project, so I thought I might as well use it and get my money's worth. So I'm going to leave that to dry overnight because it's actually quite late when I record this section of the video. So I'm going to leave that to dry overnight. In the morning I will cut off the excess of the cogs, and then I will give it a cover of white gesso, and then I will come back to video. Okay crafters, so I've given that a couple of coats of gesso after it dried, and I've also cut off the overhanging cogs. So I will need to just touch up the around the edge. I've got these wired flowers, so I'm just cutting off the wire because I'm not going to need them. Got my hot glue gun on. I've got these flat back curls as well, which I'm going to put on in places, and I will use the hot glue to put those on. I also want to put some on the child's head. So do it graduated. Okay, let's push on some of these bigger ones. ahead. I don't know what's wrong with my glue gun. Okay, now I need to give all that a coat of gesso. Okay, let's give that another coat. I'm not looking for complete coverage because these are very strong colours, the flowers that I use, the very vibrant pink and the vibrant orange. And because of the colours I'm going to be using my I'm going to be using the Lindy's mica powders, I think they're called. This is the neon graffiti back, flat magicals, and maybe even some perfect pearl. So there's going to be lots of yellows and pinks and purples in it anyway. I mean, I could use a smaller brush and get right in, but I don't need to. I did do that with the other ones because I've done two other ones that I did in black. But I wanted to try this out with white gesso rather than black gesso. Okay, now using a brush that I use just for this purpose, I'm going to take out my Lindy's powders, and I have a spray bottle with water in, and I'm going to put some of the colour powders in different places. Wiping it off with my microfiber cloth in between. Okay, now let's spray that with water. And it comes alive. I love that. It's like that's what I mean. It's like magic. That's why they're called magicals. So I'm going to blast that with my heat. And just so you're aware, I use the luminous lemon, and I use the Urban Amethyst and the Perfect Pearls in Sunflower Sparkle. So let's have a look at my Lindy's Stamp Gang sprays. I think I might want to use some of my distress spray in Rasputa, if any of it comes out, because I do have a problem with this spray. I don't think anything's going to come out. Okay. This is the Starburst, and this is Tibetan Poppy Teal. Just going to give this a quick spray. And I've got this one that I haven't used yet. I've got it for Christmas, and this is Lucky Shamrock Green. So I'm just going to go and follow the instructions and fill this up to here with warm water, and I'll be right back. I filled that up. Give me a good shake, and let's spray some. Okay, and I'm going to give those a spray with water as well. And hit it with my heat. Okay, the only other thing I want to do now is use my Nouveau embellishment mousse, and this is the Poppy Cornflower Blue, I think. This is, yeah, Cornflower Blue. So I'm going to use this on some of the raised parts. Oh, I need to glue those back on. I didn't think they would stick just using the glue that was attached to them. So I'm leaving that in so you can see that, you know, mistakes can be made. I knew I should have done, but I didn't. So just a touch of this blue in places, not tons. And there we have it, crafters, all done. I'm really happy with the way that turned out. So if you like this video, please hit that like button. Please share it if you've got other people that you know who enjoy mixed media crafts. Thank you for joining me, and you'll see me next month for Atcd Thursday and ATC Thursday, but obviously videos in between. Thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye now. Hello crafters, welcome to this week's no, 1, 2, 3. Hello everybody, welcome to ATC 1, 2, 3. Hello everybody,